The question was, how did we get here? And at this point, I am not going to get into the history details. Right now, I'm going to talk about the key moments that made LLMs possible. The journey of large language models is marked by several significant milestones that have shaped their development and evolution, which means that understanding these key moments will help us appreciate the rapid progress and innovation in this field. These key moments are: the groundwork for LLMs was laid with early language models such as n-grams and statistical language models. They paved the way for understanding word sequences and probabilities in text. Then, the shift to neural network based language models marked a turning point. That is, the development of RNNs, or recurrent neural networks, and LSTMs, that's long short term memory networks, allowed for better modeling of contextual relationships in language. And then, the introduction of attention mechanisms, especially in the form of the transformer architecture. This revolutionized the language model, transformer being the key here. For this, there was a paper that was published in 2017 that's called Attention is All You Need, which is what introduced the transformer model, which brought parallelization and improved context understanding. I'll talk about this paper soon. Then in 2018, Google's BERT, which stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, demonstrated the power of large scale pre training on a variety of language understanding tasks, which marked the shift towards unsupervised pre training, followed by fine tuning for specific tasks, which led to OpenAI's GPT series, starting with GPT-1 in 2018 and then continuing all the way into the models that we know now. I'll talk about the evolution of the GPT family in an upcoming clip. It's worth noting that GPT-3 has the ability to perform tasks with minimal examples, or even no examples, what's known as zero shot, which showcased the potential of transfer learning in LLMs. This sparked interest in few shot learning, where models generalize from a small number of examples. While pre training, followed by fine tuning, was already in use, it gained prominence with models like T5, that's the text to text transfer transformer, allowing LLMs to be adapted to a wide array of tasks with minimal modifications. The development of LLMs that were capable of understanding and generating content in multiple languages demonstrated their versatility and impact on global communication. And as LLMs became more powerful, ethical concerns regarding bias, misinformation, and potential misuse gained attention. Researchers and organizations started addressing these challenges to ensure responsible AI usage. The history of LLMs is an ongoing narrative. Researchers are exploring avenues such as even larger models, better fine tuning techniques, and increased focus on explainability and interpretability.